to see what ChatGPT generates for us. So look at the image ChatGPT generated for us. Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to create digital marketing ads using the image Gen 4 model inside ChatGPT. So when you are running an e-commerce store, you will definitely need to run ad campaigns on Instagram, Facebook and Google and all. So to create these ad visuals, you will be definitely using a graphic designer's help. So now you can actually create these ads within ChatGPT itself by writing some prompts without any design skills. So let's dive in and see how we can do that. Now, what is Image Gen 4? Image Gen 4 is the latest image generation model by OpenAI built into ChatGPT itself inside the ChatGPT 4 model. Now, it lets you describe any visual scene through text and then turns it into beautiful images, like it is perfect for creating ad creatives for your social media. Now, how to access it? You have to go to ChatGPT and then you have to click on this create image and give the prompt for creating the ad creatives. Now, I am going to show you how to structure the prompt so that you can get the exact or the best possible outcome from ChatGPT for creating the ad creatives. Okay, so first, this is the prompt structure that we are going to give. So here you have to give the ad type or the platform. So the ad type means what kind of ad you are putting in. Is it a photo ad or a carousel ad? You have to mention here, and which platform. If it is an Instagram ad or if it is a Facebook carousel ad, you can add over here. Now next you have to give what product you want to promote or what product you want to show it in the ad. If you already have an existing product photograph or if it is your existing product image that you have, you can upload that image and then give the prompt. Next we have to add the visual style of it. What kind of style you want the ad created to be. Is it a minimalist style image or how you want that, you can give over here. Then next thing you have to give what background details or background elements you wanted to add in this. For example, if it is like a pink background or a neon style background, those kind of details you can give over here. Next is the key elements that are needed inside the ad creative. For example, let's say we wanted to show some fruits or some flowers, those kind of elements, anything you wanted to add, you can add over here. Then you can mention the text overlay that you want to show, and if you need any call to action buttons on the creative, you can give that also over here. Now this is the basic prompt structure using which we are going to create the creatives. So to access that, you have to come into ChatGPT and then click on this create image button over here and then give the prompt that you have. So here I am giving the prompt Instagram ad for a luxury perfume. So this is the first component that we have, where we have to show the ad and what kind of ad it is, and then next the product that I am giving here. Now the style of the ad I have added over here, then the background is mentioned here. Now the elements I wanted to add over it I have mentioned is the perfume bottle centered with floral elements. Now the text overlay that I wanted to add I have given over here. Now let us run this prompt to see what ChatGPT generates for us. So look at the image ChatGPT generated for us. Now if you already have a product, you can also give the same prompt, so generate the image. So let me upload an image of a perfume bottle here. So I'm uploading this image and I'm asking ChatGPT the same prompt to create a ad banner using this particular product image. Now let's run the command and see what ChatGPT generates for us. So this will help e-commerce store owners in a very useful way. So you can actually, if you are a drop shipping store owner, if you have the product images from AliExpress or somewhere, then you can actually create different variants of the products using ChatGPT for running ads for your e-commerce store. Everything you can create images over here. Lifestyle images also we can create inside this image generation model. See, now you can see that in the same this was the image that ChatGPT generated for us with the random product image. Now we uploaded this particular product image and asked it to give us a banner including this image. Now we have got a new banner with that particular image inside it. So this is the power of this image generation model. You can actually use it for variety of purposes for creating various kind of ads. Let me also run another prompt and see how it will work. So here I am giving a prompt to generate it as a Google display banner. The product is a smart watch. The style I want is a futuristic mode. Then the background color I want is a glowing neon light background, and the watch should be at the center with the time should be shown, and we have a overlay text as well as a CTA button over here. Now let's see how this is generating. Okay, now ChatGPT has created the smartwatch image creative for us. Now let us try to upload an energy drink bottle can and then ask ChatGPT to create a lifestyle image of a model holding that particular energy drink. So I'm uploading the energy drink image now, and I'm going to I'm adding a prompt over here for a like a bold and dynamic neon style fitness advertisement, and all those details I have added over here. And now let us run the prompt. So now you can see that ChatGPT has generated the image for us with an athlete woman holding the same energy drink we uploaded. So this was the image of the energy drink we uploaded. So we can see the same image is being holded by this woman also. And the text we asked is also added over here, but it's added 2 times. But what we can do is you can go to this tool called select over here, and then whichever portion you want to remove, you can just select it and then remove the text. You can add this. So only that particular portion will be removed and given. You can see how good this image is. There is no problem in the woman holding those product. They are holding it in a very good way. So this is a very good lifestyle image. You can actually give the right prompts and generate any kind of image that you want with your products using the ChatGPT 4 image generation model. So this is the exact prompt structure we have been using to create these ad creatives. So you can add more elements or more components into this prompt structure to create the ad of your desired output that you want to create. So if you like the video, please give a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions, please do ask us in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.